Let's start by routing out the cracks using a 4" by 1/4 inch tuck diamond blade mounted on a 4" handheld grinder. These blades cut better and last longer than the standard V-shaped crack chasers and can be purchased at Marbalite for a fraction of the cost. Clean and vacuum all dust from the crack. This will allow our crack filler to bond properly. For larger cracks that encounter heavy expansion and contraction, other preparation methods are required, such as an epoxy injection system or our metal stitching system. This metal stitching system structurally reinforces the cement by using metal stitches placed at alternating angles in the cement, secured in by a high-strength resin filler. When it comes to cracks, remember that too many variables exist, and therefore it's impossible to guarantee that they will not come back, regardless of what products or methods are used in the repair. For small cracks of this size, we recommend our Marbalite Fast Set Crack Filler, which is a semi-rigid filler that allows normal forklift traffic and has the ability to withstand a limited amount of expansion and contraction. Our Marbalite Fast Set Crack Filler comes in a dual cartridge. A static mixing tube is applied with a retainer nut. This is inserted into a dual pack caulking gun for easy application. Discard the first ½ inch of product to make sure it is mixed well. Always fill the routed out cracks and divots to above floor level. While the filler is curing, it's a good time to mask off all adjacent walls. A good method is to pre-tape the wall, then roll the masking paper out on the floor against the wall. Apply masking tape half on the paper and half on the pre-taped wall. Lift the paper and tape it to the wall. This is important to avoid any overspray of the Marspec. The crack filler should be dry after you are done masking off the walls and is ready to be ground flush with the floor. Once you have finished leveling the surface imperfections, you can continue preparing the surface by using a variable speed grinder fitted with a 7" diamond cup grinding wheel. On larger, well-ventilated jobs, hydrochloric acid can be used to prepare the surface, but must be thoroughly washed, cleaned, and dried before proceeding. Finalize the surface preparation by using crushed glass particles and an orbital floor sander fitted with a stripping pad and 60 grit sandpaper discs. The glass is ground into the surface, giving the low spots a profile that the diamond wheel missed. Blow or vacuum all the dust off the surface. It is very important to have a clean, porous surface for the epoxy to stick to in our next step. A simple absorption test will allow you to determine whether the surface is ready to be coated. Place a drop of water on the surface. If the water absorbs within 3 minutes, you have properly prepared the surface. If not, further preparation may be necessary.